So today, took the wife's car in for maintenance, and they gave us a 2020 BMW X3. So I'm gonna do a quick review of this today. While we have it, shouts out to BMW North Scottsdale for the loaner car, but this is a 2020 BMW X3 with S-Drive. All right, that's the outside of the vehicle. See the trunk space here. Pretty decent trunk space. Got your button here. Push button to close. Good to go. This is a view of the interior here. Got your panoramic roof. That's my beautiful wife. Back seat here, plenty of leg space, nice seats. Like I said, that's the panoramic roof. This is the view from the back seat. Nice cockpit area, beautiful steering wheel. That's just a quick look at the 2020 BMW X3. Armrests have a decent amount of space. Got your charging port here. I don't think this one has wireless charging. Actually, it does. You got your wireless charging up there. Very nice, very nice. And if you're actually looking to buy this vehicle, you can read the message for yourself. I think this car is trying to get out of here. This car is available at BMW North Scottsdale. Please give them a call or go up there if you're interested. And you guys have a great day. You whipping that thing, man. Whipping that thing, man.